guys, today we got the sour candy. I got the sour candy. So I didn't need to wait Cleope because it's taking a bath. Cause I don't know guys, you can hear that, but I don't know guys, what is she doing? Today I got this one. A sour head, powder head, cotton in. I don't know what this tastes like, but it's gonna be so sour. Like last video, the wool sour. The wool sour, right? It's so sour, it's not fake. It's not fake. It's not fake. The wool sour is candy.
Poppy, bilisan mo!
Yuko. Look guys, ow.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hey! That's my phone.
Gago ka, sige, ano? Susugatan ng dila mo dyan, gago ka.
Sarap. Huwag mo muna buksan. Hintayin ko pa nga si Kuya.
O, magkati kayo dyan, ha?
That's a whole hair, guys, and I'm gonna put my tongue in. That's actually so great. Wait, are you let's go! I've been waiting for this, baby. Last time, it's so sour. Last time, that was sour skin. And that's actually sour.
Nakikita ba ako?
Not. Over here. So, guys, don't look at Kuyope, okay? Don't look at Kuyope. I love that. I love that. I love that.
Ayo!
I love that. I love the pee-pee buns. I love the pee-pee. Pee-pee. Hello, pee-pee. Pee-pee, where are you? Are you hiding?
Don't show it.
Guys, go. 15.